So friends, overall my opinion about this product is a big thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this to you to clean your DSLR camera and its lens. And you can also use this cleaning kit to clean your PC, LCD screen, your TV unit, mobile phone also. It does the job as it mentioned. A great product and value for money. When coming to the cost, I bought this product in Amazon and got it within 2 days of placing the order. This is also available in Flipkart, and links to buy this product I have given in the video description. You can use that link to place the order for you. Thank you friends, hope this video is useful for you. See you again in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and please subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Bye.